How to log in TikTok account on PC. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can log into our TikTok account on PC, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to actually log into your TikTok account on PC, you simply need to go to tiktok.com. Once you go to tiktok.com, this is the kind of interface you will see. Then from here what you have to do is just simply click on the login option located at the top right hand side. Then over here you will see a couple of other options where all you have to do is simply make sure to click on the login option. Now if you're having issues, it could be that Instagram is not available in the country, so you can try to use a VPN instead. Then after that you can simply go ahead and then click on the login option to log into your TikTok account. This way you'll be able to log into TikTok on PC. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.